So, dear students, we are organizing for you offline OSCE course. This is the first time we're doing it. This will be a 3-day course in September, starting 17th of September. Over the year, we have realized that the students are quite happy when they are in the clinical cases situation or in the viva table, because the examiner is there to guide them to get to the right answer. But in OSCEs, they struggle to give the precise answer in the exam. So what we're going to do over these 3 days is not only we will cover the vast subspecialty of orthopedics, because we have all the experts in these subspecialty field, but we'll also give you enough opportunity to interact with us so that we can help you to fine-tune your answer by being very objective and being very structural in your answering these questions. I know this is a midweek, so you need to plan ahead. You need to plan your leave. So we're giving you enough notice. I am quite excited to attend this course. I'm preparing questions for you based on previous recall and my own experience as a teacher and examiner. So I'm hoping to see you all in September in Delhi. Thank you.